What's the meaning of Bristol Old Vic? Bristol Old Vic. Bristol Old Vic.
Bristol Old Vic. Bristol Old Vic. Bristol Old Vic is a theatre company and theatre building located in Bristol, United Kingdom. The name Old Vic refers to its origins as the oldest continuously operating theatre in the English-speaking world, with a history dating back to 1766. The company has produced a wide range of plays over the years and has been associated with many famous actors and directors. Today, Bristol Old Vic continues to be an important cultural institution in the city, offering a diverse program of performances and events for audiences of all ages.